Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Peter and Margaret's ages are in the ratio 4:5. If Peter is 16 years old, how old is Margaret? If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. A ratio is a comparison of two or more quantities. It shows the relative sizes of those quantities. In this question, we've been given the ratio of the ages of two people and the age of one of those people. The question asks us to find the age of the other person. The ratio we've been given is 4:5. In the context of their age, that means if Peter is 4 years old, Margaret is 5. It also means that if we double Peter's age, we double Margaret's age. So when Peter is 8 years old, Margaret is 10 years old. We can double their ages again to answer this question, but we're going to use an algebraic method that can be applied to answer ratio questions more broadly. Let's begin by writing the ratio given to us, which is 4:5. We're asked to find the age of Margaret when Peter is 16 years old. Assigning the variable x to represent Margaret's age, that means the ratio of their age is 16 to x. If we divide both sides of this ratio by the digits in the ratio given to us, we get 16 divided by 4 equal to x divided by 5. This is an equation that we can solve to find the value of x. Multiplying both sides by 5, we get 16 multiplied by 5 divided by 4 equal to x multiplied by 5 divided by 5. And 16 multiplied by 5 is equal to 80. So, our equation can be simplified to give us 80 divided by 4 equal to x. 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20. For more explanation about ratio, search our channel for ratio. So, when Peter is 16 years old, Margaret is 20 years old.
If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.